Did you know most people over 50 are unknowingly harming their health every day? Mistake 1. Skipping morning hydration. Even mild dehydration affects your heart and energy. Your body loses fluids overnight. Drinking water first thing is essential. Many skip water and go straight to coffee. This can dehydrate your body quickly. Tip: keep a glass of water on your bedside table for easy access. Mistake 1 continues. Not drinking enough water during the day. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, and poor concentration. Doctors in the US recommend at least 8 glasses of water daily for adults over 50. Drink water before coffee or tea to stay fully hydrated. Staying hydrated helps your heart, kidneys, and energy levels throughout the day. Sitting for long periods can slow your metabolism and increase heart risk. Even gentle stretches every hour improve circulation and joint health. Standing or walking during phone calls is a simple but effective habit. Mistake 2 continues. Ignoring micro movements throughout the day. Tip: set a timer every hour to remind you to move. Walking 5 to 10 minutes a few times daily boosts energy and reduces stiffness. Standing desks are recommended for long work sessions. Habit: change posture frequently to prevent back and neck pain. Mistake 2 affects circulation, posture, and overall energy levels. Doctors in the US recommend light exercises or stretching every hour. Many people believe supplements alone can replace a healthy diet. Mistake 3: ignoring whole foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Supplements are meant to complement, not replace real nutrition. Doctors in the US suggest combining supplements with a balanced diet. Habit: include lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber daily. Over-relying on pills can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Mistake 3 continues. Forgetting variety in your meals. Tip: track your nutrition using a simple food journal. Balanced meals support immunity, heart, and bone health. Supplements should only fill gaps, not replace real foods. Mistake 4. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep deprivation accelerates aging. Even one night of poor sleep affects your mood, memory, and energy. Doctors recommend 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. Habit: stick to a regular bedtime and wake-up schedule. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals close to bedtime for better rest. Mistake 4 continues. Using devices in bed disrupts sleep cycles. Tip: dim lights and relax 30 minutes before sleep. Quality sleep improves heart, brain, and immune health. Habit: keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid napping too long during the day to maintain a healthy sleep cycle. Mistake 5. Ignoring mental health and daily stress. Chronic stress affects your heart, sleep, and immunity. Doctors recommend daily mindfulness or meditation practices. Habit: take 10 to 15 minutes daily to breathe deeply and relax. Connect with loved ones to reduce stress and boost mood. Mistake 5 continues. Ignoring hobbies and leisure activities. Tip: schedule short breaks to walk, read, or enjoy music. Chronic stress can accelerate aging and affect cognition. Habit: practice gratitude journaling or note 3 positive things daily. Mind-body balance improves mood, heart health, and sleep quality. Mistake 5. Avoiding professional help when feeling anxious or depressed. Mental health is as important as physical health after 50. Doctors in the US suggest combining mindfulness, exercise, and social connection. Habit: schedule weekly social interactions or hobby activities. Reducing screen time and digital stress is essential for your brain. Breathing exercises lower cortisol and improve heart rate variability. Start small daily rituals to manage stress effectively. Even 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing can calm your mind. Combine stress management with proper sleep, hydration, and exercise. Avoid these 5 hidden mistakes to live a longer, healthier life after 50.